This is the second day. Last night, it was preliminaries here in Kyankwanzi. When you arrive, you are given a uniform, a plain uniform like the one I'm wearing. In the military, I understand we are all supposed to be equal. I don't know whether it is true, but I'm told that even if you're a general, when you're in combat, you don't wear your pips. So the purpose of us wearing uniform is to demonstrate that we are all equal. And that's very important in the way we are conducted here. In the morning, we had physical exercises by instructor Bob. He's the coach at the Parliamentary Fitness Center. He took us through some basic drills, and the chief cheerleader was the Deputy Speaker, Thomas Taiwa, who told us that we should make fitness a habit. Then we went back to freshen up. We were then ordered to dress in these uniforms. The way you see it here, the uniforms are the same, but you'll notice that the shoes are all different. I've even seen some ladies wearing bukondo. They're wearing high heels. Others are wearing dress shoes. So I think that memo has not been understood very well. So from the ankle up, we are in uniform. We went through some basic drills of simple parade. Anybody who has ever been a scout would know these basic drills. And this was by Staff Sergeant Kalisa, who is an instructor here. We enjoyed it so much. At one point, the honorable members were told to squat the first three lines in front. And that's when we realized that there's a problem with the fitness of some. Others could not squat for a minute. They had to get up and leave. But overall, we are supposed to enjoy this experience. And that's why I'm participating in every activity. It is important that I know. This is my first time, by the way, to be in Kyankwanzi. And I intend to participate in every single activity and meet the members of parliament and get to know them. After all, we are going to be together for the next 5 years as the National Assembly.
Professor,
yeah.
How are you?
They have put us 4 people in a room. I've decided to boycott in protest. 4 people, 4 ladies in a room.
You first come back and negotiate.
I've tried to do. They have put this Aisha. I don't know what.
The Secretary General is coming.
When,
you see, these ones are under orders. The people you negotiate with are people.
When they have got me a room, I'll come back. I'll put their feet.